Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a strange Excel issue that a lot of people run into. Here's what happens. I'm subtracting 2 times, B2 minus A2. I expect a result showing the difference, like 8 hours. But the problem is, when I use the fill handle and drag it down, instead of updating for every row, the results are all wrong, or the same. The fix is simple. Just go to the Formulas tab, click Calculation Options, and set it back to automatic instead of manual. And right away, you'll see the correct results fill in for every row. Now, if that doesn't fix it, there's one more thing you can check. Go to File, then Options, and Advanced, and look for the setting called Enable Fill Handle and Cell Drag and Drop. If that's unchecked, you won't even be able to fill cells properly, so make sure it's turned on. Hopefully, one of those 2 fixes solves the issue for you. If not, drop a comment below and I'll try to help you figure out what else it could be. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.